BennyXD, and on this season of Cooking with BennyXD, I got a guest star, CJ Jackson. Now let's get this show on the road. I don't know what the full ingredients list, so I'm just gonna put it up right here. Now read this. Now that you read it, now let's get cooking. All right, guys, now start adding our ingredients. Banana first. Banana. Sprinkle of cinnamon. Eggies. Some protein. Come on. You're gonna do 2 scoops of this. Boom. Oh. The is it? It's not supposed to be here. This proper 12. This proper 12. It's not supposed to be here. We're not supposed to add it. You know what we do with this? That's for Conor McGregor.
All right, guys. I'm gonna start mixing it because Ben's been on a diet, so he's been a little angry lately. So, just gonna crush all the banana up. All right, guys. Once you're ready, it should look just like regular pancake batter. Perfect. All right, guys. We're gonna heat our pan with a medium heat with some non-stick cooking spray. All right, now that our pan's heated, we're gonna start pouring our pancakes.
Whoa! It's my show. I'm pouring the pancakes. What are you doing?
Jesus, Ben.
All right, it's been about 45 seconds. Now it's time for a flip. Uh-oh, no pressure, no pressure. Boom, delicious looking. Oh yeah, Obi, this is what you're looking for. Now just wait another 35, 45 seconds. Now let's get the pancakes going. Polish that right off. It's gonna be a nice fat pancake, baby. Might be a little difficult to flip, but we're kind of committed at this point. Now I got some chocolate chunks over here, guys. I'm gonna add them. There's 60 calories for a serving, so it's a pretty good value per flavor. All right, guys, it's time to get flipping, baby. Oh, yeah. It's a dangerous one. It's a big boy. We're gonna give it a flip. What? Obi. Kind of destroyed it, but it's okay. All right, guys, pancakes are cooked. I'm gonna lay out the nutrition right here. There you go. Now let's get time to eating.
I'm just going in.
What? You gotta talk to the camera.
Nah.
I'm taking the pancake one with the chocolate chips.
Damn. That's good. Oh my God.
That's surprisingly good.
Yeah.
Like, you get the banana flavor, cinnamon.
The cinnamon adds a good hint.
Mm-hmm. But you can taste the banana underneath it. Like,
yeah.
It's sweet. We just added a little bit of honey to it too. So I'll keep that posted. But the chocolate chips, delicious. You wanna try a little bit of chocolate chip?
Not gonna say no.
Yeah, that's what I like to see, Caleb. All right, guys, that episode was a blast to make. You know, we really had some protein-packed pancakes.
Some good stuff.
They were really good. We started the episode with a shot of proper 12. We're gonna end it with a shot of proper 12. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that jazz. See you in the next one.
Later.
Woo! That's a wrap, baby.